Good morning, everybody. So, I owe everybody a bit of an apology. First of all, it's been raining cats and dogs here in Texas, which is a good thing. I mean, I kid you not, over the last 48 hours or so, we have easily gotten, I don't know, probably close to 8 inches of rain, which is awesome because that's exactly what we've needed. We've needed that rain. Now, maybe not all the crap that's come with it, but the reason that I owe y'all an apology is one of my viewers was watching one of my older videos that I honestly forgot that I did, so thank him for watching my trail camera video. Now, in that video, I was reviewing 2 trail cams. I was reviewing a wild game innovation cam and I think it was a Tasco or Taco or something like that cam. And one was $40 and one was $29. So the reason that I never got back to those videos, or to do an update, is, well, they got stolen. Yeah, you know, when you don't have private land to put cameras on and you try and find the best secluded land in the public, well, it doesn't always work out for the better. And so, yeah, I did those videos about 6 months ago, and yeah, that's the reason that I never did an update to them, is because I couldn't do an update to them because those videos got stolen. I mean, some videos, Jesus. It's too early, I need my coffee. The trail cameras got stolen. And, so I wasn't able to do an update. So, I do apologize for that. I also apologize for it being so damn dark in here, but, you know, once again, it's pissing down rain outside. So, I think I have some trail cam footage of the Wild Game Innovations camera that I will try and put into this video and see, you know, kind of see where that goes. But I just wanted to apologize that I never made an update to the trail cam video I did. And also, I've got another video I'm working on, but it also requires, you know, it not raining, because I do have a fishing video that I want to work on, because the creek that I fished at to do my bluegill video has gotten a lot of water, because like I said, we've gotten almost a half foot of rain. So, and it's still raining. So yeah, that's what's going on. Just wanted to give y'all an update, because I felt like, you know, y'all deserve it. So remember to like, share, subscribe, all that good jazz. And I'll see y'all in the next video. This is JMP Outdoors saying thanks for watching, and for everybody who subscribed in the last month, thank you. I really do appreciate it, and I'll see y'all in the next episode. Just take a look at that. Normally, this creek is dry, and I mean, it's flowing. This is just awesome. This is at Opecia Naval Park. Some debris from the flooding is going to need to be cleared out. And this is a little footbridge. Yeah, this is just a beautiful, beautiful thing. Beautiful thing. Update on me and the little man here. I've been told to take it back, so I'm gonna take it back to where I found it, and I'll call the game warden, and hopefully the mom will come back for it. Alright, so there you go. One last pic of little man or little girl. Not sure what it is, but I'll go put it back in the yard. Alright. Well, it's just... Alright, well, it's just laying there at the fence now. See? So, I'm just gonna leave it. Alright. If you want an update, oops. If you want an update, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll try and come by later today and see if it's still here or not, and I'll do an update for y'all. This is J&P Outdoors saying thank y'all for watching, subscribing, hitting that notification bell, all that good stuff. And we're going to end a beautiful, beautiful shot with some beautiful deer, because this is just too damn cool. And I'm sure a lot of these deer haven't seen water in several years, except for the little buckets of water they get fed up by where I feed them.